Hi, Andrew1930 here, and today is the day, April 22nd, when, you guessed it, Lego The Hobbit for the Wii U comes out. So, I'm going to record a quick video of this, and at the end I will show you the exclusive Good Morning Bilbo Baggins. Alright, so here goes. This with one hand. Alrighty. Then get that off there. Alright. And then here is an advertisement for TDOS, or the Desolation of Smaug. And here it is. Lego The Hobbit. And then here is the instruction manual. Alright. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. All of you except Bilbo9, of course, who already has it. Oh, also, I gotta show you the back. A lot of you are gonna love this, a lot of you are gonna hate this. Look. Tauriel is on the back, along with Keely. So it says, reclaim the lost kingdom, brick by brick. Join Bilbo Baggins, Gandalf, Thorin, and his company of dwarves in an epic adventure across Middle-earth to recapture the Lonely Mountain in the most expansive LEGO game to date. Battle ravenous trolls, dangerous orcs, and more. Combine the dwarves' unique abilities to solve puzzles, often with hilarious results. Explore iconic locations in Middle-earth, from the Shire to Goblin Town and beyond. And that's about it. And the moment you've all been waiting for. First of all, I'll show you the bag which it came in. I made sure to cut as little of it as I could. Good Morning Bilbo Baggins. And here he is. Dun da dun! Good Morning Bilbo Baggins. So, head or hair and leg piece are not exclusive, so I will well, since I can't get the legs off, I guess they will stay. But this head right there came in an unexpected gathering. Fact, I don't want to cut the recording, so just gonna leave that right there. Quickly show you. Okay. This is an unexpected gathering Bilbo with the exact same headpiece. However, it's double-sided. Those eyebrows are actually different from the Bilbo that we see normally. The generic Bilbo, as I say. You see? Oh wait, it actually isn't. Oh, wow, Bilbo9, Second, and I were wrong about that. So, I guess nothing. Let's see, make sure. Pretty sure that none of the headpieces are different in Good Morning Bilbo Baggins. However, it wasn't the hair, the legs, or even the head that we wanted in this minifigure. It was the torso. And could you expect to have a finer design than this? I'm going to shine it up to the light a little bit so that you can see it. The back printing, so much back printing. And then something we haven't had in a long time, arm printing. And here is the other side. And just for good measure, here is all of it in its glory once again. Here is the bag that it came in again. And here is the game again. So, thank you very much for watching this very special video. And I will see you. Well, first of all, gameplay, there will be gameplay uploaded very soon, but, probably tonight at the earliest. So, thank you very much for watching this very special video, and I will see you next time.